In this video, I will share 5 things you can do to increase the effectiveness of your PowerPoint presentation. I will change this boring presentation into a way better presentation using these tips in real time. And let's get started. Tip number 1. The right use of color. When making a presentation, you want to use an appropriate color scheme. Color psychology works for PowerPoints as well. Just take a look at this graph. Using the right colors will add character to your slides and will help you convey your message. Though, having one color for all elements within your presentation can be quite dull. And for that, you can use color schemes. For example, you want to convey a message with a cheerful character, and you can Google for color scheme palette orange. Alternatively, you can use your company's logo to create a color palette in Canva's color palette generator, and the link is in the description. You copy the picture of the color palette and place it outside of the slide, which is in the gray area. Now, you can select elements, go to format in the ribbon and use the eyedropper to pick colors from the color scheme palette. I will also use my picture as a background, on which I made a video before. That video can be found in the description down below. And now your initial slide looks way better. Tip number 2. The more text, the less impact. If there's too much text on a slide, your audience will be distracted and will not focus on what you have to say and instead will focus on the text on the slide. Instead of using bullet points, you can use pictures or infographics. A picture tells more than 1,000 words. Using text is not forbidden, but try to use keywords instead of writing out your script on a slide. Tip number 3. Picture perfect. You want to use high definition pictures instead of low resolution and low quality pictures. Using sharp and high definition pictures within your PowerPoint presentation looks way more professional than pixelated and unclear pictures. A great source for royalty-free pictures is the website unsplash.com, and here you can find high-quality pictures that you can use for free without having to credit anyone, even though it is appreciated. When you found a picture, instead of right-clicking the picture to copy it, you want to click on the Download Free button. This will download a much higher quality picture. You want to go to Insert in the ribbon and go to Pictures, and here you can insert your own high-definition picture. Tip number 4. Aligning. Align your objects to tighten up your presentation. Aligning is the process of arranging objects in a straight line, and this will make your presentation look clean and professional. Fortunately for us, PowerPoint has a built-in align feature. You can find this feature when you click on an object and go to Shape Format in the ribbon. For example, you want to align all the pictures with equal intervals. To do that, select all the pictures by holding Shift and clicking on them. Go to Format in the ribbon and go to Align. Here, you get the option if you want to align the pictures to each other or the slide. I recommend picking Align to Slide. After you clicked on that, you want to click on Distribute horizontally or vertically. You might also want to align the title to the first picture. Simply select them both by holding Shift and dragging your mouse over both, and click on Align Selected Objects and then on Align Left. Tip number 5. Animating. Just like text, you never want to use too many animations as it will distract the audience. In my beginner's guide, I take you through some of the basics of animations in PowerPoint, and the video can be found in the iCard in the right up corner. One cool animation trick that I want to share with you in this video is that you can play multiple animations at once. This will unlock an array of new animations. You want to go to animations in the ribbon, and for example, you want to emphasize the title. So you click on the title and add an emphasis animation to it. And as you can see, if you try to add another animation to it, it will override the old animation. To fix that, you simply want to use the Add Animation window. And now there's multiple animations on the object, though they don't play at the same time. To have both animations play at the same time, you want to open up the animation pane. You want to right click the second animation that you've added and click on Start with Previous. If you want to loop this emphasis animation, you want to right click on the animation and click on Timing. And here, next to Repeat, you can select Until End of Slide. You want to do that for the other animation as well. As you can see, with just a couple of small adjustments, the presentation looks way better and will help you to get your message across. I hope this video helped, consider subscribing, and I will see you next time.